I'm going to show you a quick tip when you are making tissue boxes or boxes in general. If it's going to be the bottom of the box, which would be the bottom of the tissue box, while you are still stitching your round, before you cut it off, go ahead and do the bottom row. It'll give you two good points. The first point by stitching the bottom is you know that this is the bottom, so you'll know that this is the top. So when you're doing your design, you don't get them mixed up or get it backwards because you already know where the bottom of the box is, of the tissue box. And also, you can go ahead and knock out one part of the process. So by going ahead and stitching it out, the bottom, you kind of kill two birds with one stone. One, you know which one is the bottom, and also when it gets time to do your stitch, make sure that it runs the same direction as your bottom stitches. And then you just go all the way around until you get the bottom stitches done. So see, there you go. That way you know this is the bottom and this part's already done for you, and it makes things a lot easier when you get ready to start the next step. So it's kind of a guide, but it also gets rid of a process at the end. I used to always use one string and do the whole bottom all at once, but over the years I've learned that it's a lot quicker and easier if you just do it as you go, and then that way it's done. So as you can see here, we've completed the bottom. Now you can do two things. You can either A, leave the string attached so when you sew up this side, it's already got a string to it, or you can go ahead and end it. And then cut off the extra. And then now you have completed this part of the process. So that's just a quick tip.